weekend was absolutely crazy, man. I'll tell you what, if you missed the last pack opening video, make sure you go and check it out. But that wasn't it for the weekend, boy. Not only did EA drop Ultimate Legends, but they also dropped golden tickets as well. 99 overall, Bo Jackson, 101 speed, 101 excel, 102 carrying, 100 ball carry vision, only 93 agility, and 73 catching. But it's still a badass card. The Landon Collins golden ticket was definitely pretty badass, something different, and that's always cool to see with the golden tickets. 98 speed, 99 excel, 97 hit power. We also got a golden ticket, Deion Sanders with 100 speed, 103 man, 101 zone, 101 press, and 92 catching. And finally, the golden ticket I've been talking about forever. Now, if you guys have been following the channel, you remember when I pulled Campus Hero Johnny Manziel. I played some games with him and I was like, dude, this guy is the real deal. If somebody made a golden ticket Johnny Manziel, it would probably be the best card in the game. Well, one of my subscribers pulled a golden ticket and I helped him make golden ticket Johnny Manziel. I mean, 100 throw power, 98 deep, 99 short, 98 middle, 99 throw in the run. Dude, people are underestimating this card. 80 strength. He's got more carrying than Adrian Peterson. Like, what? If there was one golden ticket that I wanted to pull, it was for sure Johnny Manziel. And now, once again, guys, this is from the live stream over the weekend in San Francisco. The quality, but I wanted to make sure you guys saw it, so. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh!
No! Let's go! No! Are you fucking serious? What the fuck, dude?
Oh my God!
No fucking way! That just happened, dude. Holy shit!
Whoa! It's lit.
Fuck, dude! You called that shit.
Free beers for everybody.
I'm gonna get a golden ticket this weekend.
Free beers for everybody.
I'm gonna get a golden ticket this weekend.
Oh my God.
That's
Money Manziel golden ticket is home, baby. Now, I tried to pull for a Bo Jackson as well. We weren't able to get him, so I went ahead and got him off the auction block for you guys. I hope you like the way the team is coming together. Got the gameplay coming out later tonight. Until then, smack a like on the button. Subscribe if you're new. Till then, I'm signing out. Peace.